Hey guys, John with Area 419. We got here our newest scope base fixture and the NHX 4000. We've got two of these. We can run every single scope base we make on this same fixture. This allows us to make 24 complete scope bases every time this goes through the machine. Something that made this possible on certain rails like our CZ 457, we need access from the side of the rail, kind of off axis. Typically with our first stop clamping, you've got a wide gripping rail. You need some meat on the side to support the thing from just pushing over. So it gets us a good probably 3/4 of an inch away from the edge of the fixture, which for working on the side of the part makes it really difficult, especially if you want to keep your stock size to a minimum and not stick tools out 1.5 inches. Our friends over at Anderson Manufacturing, they make the Sarah jaws. They were willing to make us up some custom jaws. These have the serrated edge. We're able to put this thing only about 200 thousandths from the edge of a fixture plate. We've got flathead screws, so it's supported fully by the screws from pushing over. This gets our parts really close to the edge of the fixture so we can keep our tool stick out to a minimum. It's really made this type of fixturing, especially on a 6-sided where you don't really have good access from the side, really what's made it possible. If you have an application that requires something a little bit custom like this, I'd reach out to Matt over at Anderson Manufacturing and he can probably get you squared away.